Hi guys, welcome back to Amara's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious keto friendly popsicle. Okay, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, to start this recipe, of course you need your blender and you need your berries. So this is berry popsicle. So I have strawberries, and you need the ones that said no sugar added. Yes, you do not need any strawberry that has sugar on it. And here I have mixed berries. I have the blueberries, and this one is also unsweetened, which is no sugar added. So I have blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Yeah, so this is berries blend, lots of berries. Okay, so to that, go ahead and set this aside. We'll start by using the strawberry, the one that is just strawberries alone. So I'll go ahead and pour in a little bit. I'm not measuring this, but I guessing is like using your eyes to guess. It should be like about a cup of strawberry. And I'll go ahead and also add some milk. We're using unsweetened, which is I'm using almond milk. Yes, it's like 30 calories per cup, very low in calorie, no sugar added. So like I said, you can use any sweetener of choice. So here I'm using half a teaspoon of stevia. So I'll go ahead and blend this up. So I'll keep blending until it is very smooth. You can add more milk. Okay, if you feel like the blender is not moving very well, feel free to add a little more milk, as much as you want, until the blender is able to move freely. So I continue blending until it is very smooth. As you can see, it's very smooth now and moving freely. So I'll go ahead and pour this in my popsicle molder. Okay, so once I have everything poured in the way they are right now, as you can see, I just poured in, not all the way, just little bit in each container, in each mold. Just pour it like close to halfway. Then here is my mixed berries. I'll also go ahead and pour in a little bit. And in this one, I do not need much of the strawberries. I rather need the blueberry, blackberry, and raspberry. So I removed a couple of the strawberries in there, and I'll go ahead and put it back in the strawberry bag. Then in a handful, I grab blueberry, blackberry, and raspberry because I want it to be on the darker side. Then I blend it up with water, regular room temperature water. You can use ice water, but I don't want it to be too thick or too hard for me to blend. So I'll continue with the process, adding little bit of water each time if I need to, but being careful not to like make it too watery. Yeah. So once everything is looking well mixed and combined, as you can see, the texture looks so pretty right now. So go ahead and proceed in pouring this inside the popsicle molder. So it's kind of a little too heavy carrying this with the blender. I'll go ahead and pour this in a little cup just for me to just to enable me move this around or pour this in easily. So I'll proceed with pouring all of it in the molder. It's okay, even if it gets too much, you can always fix that, all right? So I'll just shake this up a little bit just to make sure that everything fits in, removing anything that is on the side. So the leftover, I can just drink that up, and I'll go ahead and cover this up, okay? And for this popsicle molder, I got it from Amazon, and I also put the link on the description section. It's really pretty, very nice popsicle mold. So if you want it, the link should be on the bottom at the description section. Feel free to check that out. And I also went ahead and placed in all the popsicle stick, all right, because the mold also came with the popsicle stick. I love this popsicle molder. It looks so amazing, so easy to make your own popsicle at home that you're very sure of what you're eating. So I'll go ahead and place this in my freezer for a couple of hours. So here we are after 6 to 8 hours. Yeah, it's completely frozen. So I'll go ahead and start taking this out. So if you're on a keto diet, this is so helpful. A best way of succeeding on your keto diet is to have something you can snack on that is keto friendly. Yeah, because when you start craving for snack and you don't have something healthy or something keto friendly you can snack on, you'll be tempted to grabbing whatever you have available. So having this handy in your freezer at all time will save you a whole lot of time, like money or anything like that, of not eating what you're supposed to not eat. So look at that, looking so pretty, and it came out of the mold so easily. It's not too much stress. Just use one hand to hold it down and then grab the popsicle stick and you pull this out. It's so easy. Okay, so I love this popsicle mold, and it's very cheap. It's actually very cheap on Amazon. You can grab that if you really feel like making popsicle for yourself or for your kids. Okay, so you can see, look at how easy that is popping out right from the popsicle mold. So this is it, and it's easily washed. Just run some soapy water on it, it cleans out right away. So guys, this is it. It looks so amazing and it tastes so delicious. Yes, it tastes so delicious, and this saved me a lot of stress and lots of temptation of getting any popsicle that I do not, especially when my kids, when they start grabbing their ice cream, you know, their ice cream bars, and I'll be like, can you just go get me my stuff? Yeah, so I wouldn't feel tempted to like eating stuff that I'm not supposed to eat. And it also came with this wrap, the popsicle wrap. You can just wrap this up and then place them in a ziplock. Just put them in your ziplock just like that. Okay, and you go ahead and put it in your freezer, and that's it. You have something to eat or something to snack on when you want to. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for spending your time with me in my kitchen again today. I do appreciate all your support. Do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share, and I will see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye bye for now. Bye.